Good morning everyone. I am Gayatri Tilaka. My topic is evaluation of nitrate leaching from leaf red onion cultivation on regosols in Kalpitiya area. Kalpitiya Peninsula is renowned as one of the most productive agricultural areas of the country. Sandy regosols is the dominant soil type in Kalpitiya area where vegetable cultivation is intensively practiced. Leafy red onion is a popular short-term crop variety widely cultivated in Kalpitiya area with excessive use of nitrogenous fertilizer. Due to the high fertilizer responsiveness of red onion and poor soil fertility in sandy regosols, farmers apply excessive amount of fertilizer without following the recommendation of Department of Agriculture. Therefore, the promising problem in red onion cultivation area is wide range of chemical fertilizer usage and consequent health problems. So, objective of my study was to quantify nitrate leaching from leafy red onion cultivation in Kalpitiya under the management practices of growers. Let's move on to the methodology. Lysimeters were installed below the soil surface of separated plots. Compost was applied at the rate of 10 tons per hectare. Fertilizer were applied according to the growers' practices. This was replicated for 3 times in 7.2 square meter plots. Jaffna local red onion bulbs were selected for planting. Irrigation was done 2 times of the day. Leachate samples of each replicate was collected at weekly intervals and leached volume was measured. Nitrate concentration of collected leachate was analyzed using an iron selective electrode. Leafy red onion was harvested after 48 days of planting and leafy red onion yield was recorded. Let's move on to the results and discussion. Total input nitrogen throughout the season was 8.75 grams per square meter. The concentration of nitrate in irrigated water was 6.88 milligrams per liter, which was accounted as an input source of nitrogen. The concentration of nitrate in leachate was ranged from 35 milligrams per liter to 150 milligrams per liter. When concluding the findings of my study, it was found that 400 grams of nitrogen was leached well beyond root zone per 100 kilograms of harvest. The leachate nitrate concentration was above the WHO standard for drinking water. These findings highlight the need for a novel fertilizer management approach for reducing nitrogen leaching in this cultivation system. Thank you very much for your kind attention.